Good morning students, I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapit channel. As you know that this is our second channel and earlier many videos were uploaded in our Social Science with NKSR channel, and we are very glad for your good appreciation messages which you send for your good performance in your term 1 exam. And as you requested sir, we need some more contents for a term 2 exam. This channel is made by my team so that many term 2 syllabus can be available in this channel along with extra questions and MCQ based questions. Many things will be uploaded in this channel, Social Science Vidyapit channel, and many of the contents were already uploaded and some of them were all recorded, will be uploaded soon. And we believe that you have subscribed the Social Science Vidyapit channel and along with Social Science with the NKSR channel, because as you know, every day my team uploads many educational videos and your class subject chapters from class 6 to 12. If you subscribe the channel, you will get the instant notification of the newly added videos so that you can prepare yourself instantly. And one more thing which will be helpful for you, you should see every video till the end so that you can understand that particular topic completely. If you miss or skip the content, then it will be difficult for you to prepare that chapter. Okay. And one more thing, that as I always tell, when you see the videos of any MCQ based question, you should sit with one notebook and a pen so that you can write the MCQ based questions answer. Okay, and you can evaluate yourself in this way. Okay, so today my team is ready to record one video of class 9 social science history, social science, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. So this chapter today my team will record this, and as I said, you should write the correct answer of each question and you can evaluate yourself, and in the comment box you mention me what is the total mark you got in this chapter. Okay, so I hope you all are ready. Shall we start now? So the first question is, what was the name given to mass killings of the Jews under Hitler's regime? And your options are Holocaust, special treatment, November criminals, none of this. The right answer is special treatment. Moving toward the next question, Germany fought the First World War against death. Your options are England, France, Russia, and all of this. The right answer is Germany fought the First World War against all of the countries like England, France, and Russia. Moving toward the next question, name the incident that started Second World War. Your options are the Treaty of Versailles, British of the Weimar, birth of the Weimar Republic, and genocidal war, Germany's attack on Poland. The right answer is the incident that started the Second World War is Germany's attack on Poland. Moving toward the next question, when was the Enabling Act passed in Germany? Your right the options are on 12th March 1933, on 3rd March 1933, on 3rd February 1903, on 14th March 1932. So the right answer of this question, Enabling Act passed in Germany, is 3rd March 1933. Moving toward the next question, what was Auschwitz famous for? Your options are Center for Mass Killing during Nazi Germany, and Center for Educating Children during Nazi Germany, Center for Giving Military Training to the Youth during Nazi Germany, and none of the above. So this Auschwitz famous for Center for Mass Killing during the Nazi Germany. Okay. Moving to the next question, on 30th January 1933, who offered the chancellorship to Hitler? Your options are Soviet Red Army, King Kaiser William II, President Hindenburg, and Hjalmar Schacht. So the right answer of this question is on 13th January 1933, President Hindenburg. This is the right answer, who offered the chancellorship to Hitler. Okay. Moving toward the next question, who was Hjalmar Schacht? Who was Hjalmar Schacht? Your options are he was an economist, chancellor, German soldier, and none of this. So the right answer is he was the economist. Moving toward the next question, name of the city where US dropped first atom bomb in Japan. Your options are Hiroshima, Auschwitz, Nagasaki, none of this. The right answer is Hiroshima. So this is the place where US dropped the first atom bomb in Japan. Okay. Moving to the next question. When did the Second World War end? Your options are 11th June 1945, 9th May 1945, 9th May 1944, and 9th June 1945. And the right answer is 9th May 1945. The Second World War end. Okay. Moving to the next question. Who was considered as inferiors and undesirables by Nazi Germany? Your options are Jewish, Gypsies and blacks, Russians and Poles, and all of this. So the persons who were considered as inferiors and undesirable by Nazi Germany are Russians and all those Jewish, Gypsies, and blacks, Russians, and Poles. All of these were considered as inferiors and undesirable by Nazi Germany. Moving to the next question. What were the children taught in the Germany under the Nazis? To be loyal and submissive, to hate Jewish, to worship Hitler, and all of this. So they were taught all these options which I told in Nazi Germany, Germany under the Nazis. Children were taught in Germany under the Nazis. Moving to the next question. Which party came to be known as the Nazi Party? Okay, your options are German Workers' Party, National Socialist German Workers' Party, and Socialist German Workers' Party, and National German Workers' Party. So National Socialist German Workers' Party. So this party came to be known as the Nazi Party. Student, this is very important question. You should mark as a very important in this question, and you should focus more. So moving to the next question. Who were ghettos? Your options are political organizations, areas where Jews lived, and playgrounds of German children, school of Jews. And your options are areas where Jews lived, that was known as ghettos. What does the Reichstag mean? German coin, German state, German parliament, German currency. The right answer is German parliament was known as Reichstag. Okay. Moving to the next question. The concentration camps are dash. The concentration camps were dash. Your options are safe places for the Jews, unsafe places for the Germans, and places enclosed with live wires, and places where Jews were jailed. Okay. So the concentration camps were places where Jews were jailed. Okay. Those are the places where Jews were jailed. So student, these were some of the MCQ based questions of Nazism and the rise of Hitler, class 9 social science chapter. And I hope this MCQ based questions which are prepared from each topic of this chapter, which will be very helpful for you. So we'll meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions of another chapter. Thank you.